Hello traders, today February 7th, market opens at this key Fibonacci support. This is long-term Fibonacci levels. You can install on any platform, any instrument you choose to trade. This is oversold market. Very close to institutional trend inception, where buyers stepped in from since end of January. Currently it is counter-trend move. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Shorts near this support not an option. And if I convert this chart to 5-minute, you will see where buyers been coming from for the last 2 hours. This is how Fibonacci keeps out of trouble. Overextended selling pressure taking a major pause. Buyers are weak. Why? Key Fibonacci resistance respected. Buyers cannot break through. And if I convert this chart to 15, exact same formula remains. Look at that. This is a range this morning at the open. Do not ever short near Fibonacci support. If you do, success rate drops to less than 20%. Quite an open. Tired sellers, worthless buyers. Nothing to touch yet. This is when knowledgeable trader monitors for trade, and only when rules are met, trader will take a trade. So again, this is key Fibonacci support dancing in bullish correction. If I convert this chart to 1, you will see worthless bullish pullback since the open. Knowledgeable trader not touching this. What would knowledgeable trader like to see? Price to crash to trend inception, 2700 number. Very powerful place to be. This is institutional trend inception. This is a reason knowledgeable trader never ever shorts near. And if I go back to hourly chart, you will see this is where buyers been coming from since end of January. So, counter trend, worthless bullish move, we allow to crash through because we know extremely well. Long-term success rate non-existent. This is exactly for the last 4 hours every single short fails. And if I bring up other instruments, what would you see on XOM? This is where buyers stepped in from. No surprise. Not the place to short near. Agree? And this is what XOM looked like before bullish rally started at the end of 2018. This is XOM dancing at key support 72. And what do I say at the end of January? This support is out. Expect XOM to collapse to 66. And this is what XOM doing now. And this is S&P staging very powerful reminder on 1-minute chart. Why this is not the place to short near. What an open. This is how price testing you every single day, every single time. Do not touch a bait Monitor for a trade. Rules are met, take a trade. Rules are not met, do not dodge the market. Simple. So price is chopping at major correction. Exhausted sellers and worthless buyers in a play. No matter what chart you trade this morning. And here's IBM right now, traders. My goodness, IBM comes out with spectacular earnings, but this is a major problem. Everyone seeing this? This is IBM today on February 7th. And this is what IBM looked like at the end of 2018. Key Fibonacci resistance, market in worthless bullish correction. IBM sold off quite a bit more. No surprise. Separating correction from reversal is a key. Do not touch correction. Charts identical to what's playing out on S&P this morning. Day trading charts. Enjoy the rally, but respect key Fibonacci resistance, just like on day trading chart. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing if Fibonacci resistance blocking IBM 3 weeks in a row. And this is the dance in front of you, no matter what chart you trade this morning on S&P. This is your range. Only if rules are met, you can take a trade. Doesn't matter if it's IBM, doesn't matter if it's XOM, doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. Minute, range, tick, chart. What a dance, what an open, what a test. Knowledgeable trader doesn't have sweaty palms. Knowledgeable trader doesn't speculate. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well that this is only a bait. And we've been here for the last 20 minutes after the open. Every single short into this support fails, as expected. No matter what chart you trade. And if this will continue for hours, knowledgeable trader will not touch bait. Knowledgeable trader is interested only in a trade. So, we're on standby, we're monitoring the market. We're discussing with students pros and cons. We discussed with students in mastery course before market open that this is counter trend move, that buyers are weak, not the place to short. So here's Chevron right now. Everyone seeing this? Everyone clear on this? This is a post in the trading room in 2018. No surprise where buyers came from. And if I go back and take a look on Chevron charts in 2018, key support for over a year, 111. This key support is out, and this is what Chevron does next. Clear on that? Exact same level as on S&P this morning. Identical levels, very different strategies. Never ever short into this support. Decision point 2, showing oversold market conditions is a critical support, testing trader to the core. Knowledgeable trader knows shorts are not an option. Knowledgeable trader knows every single short has success rate of less than 20%. And only when rules are met and buyers have meaning and power, knowledgeable trader will take a trade. Doesn't matter if it's XOM, Chevron, or IBM, or 5, or 2, or 3, or 10, 11, or tick charts on S&P. And this is a test trader must pass every single day. And here's this crucial support on monthly chart in 2014, 2015, 2016. Famous 1800 number. This key support was respected and, as we know extremely well, skyrocketed until reversal zone 2 years later. Time and time again. Never short into support, ever. And here is S&P weekly chart. Everyone seeing this 2300 number. Chart present in front of you for years, where market bounced from. So here we go, traders. Stop order long on S&P. Buyers setting up. Everyone seeing this? Very, very important moment. Knowledgeable trader knows extremely well. Stop order 2711. One tick will make a world of difference. Correct? Stop 2705. Not a tick sooner. Take a look at this range. We've been here since the open. Everyone with me? I'm sorry, 2706, not 2705. Trader who understands the importance of proper stop order placements, not in the market yet. We agree? What a brutal dance. This level 2711 holding the key to the bullish move. One tick in day trading makes a world of difference. Knowledgeable trader knows that. We've been here for the last 30 minutes since the open. S&P weekly chart, been here for years. Take a look. Here's 2300 on S&P in 2016, 2017, early 2017. And as we know extremely well, this is what S&P started doing in 2018, when it started crashing. 2300 finally reached a year later, where market bounced from. Chart present in front of you for years. And this is a dance on S&P right now. We've been here for more than 30 minutes. Stop order not placed, not touched. Who wins if trader touches anything inside? Broker. Broker's heaven. One tick makes a world of difference. There is no speculative stops. There is no speculative targets. Every single trade placed on key rules. Every single target made on key rules. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. And if this level is not touched, trade is not executed. Knowledgeable trader knows how crucial proper trade placement is. Everyone clear on this? As I keep warning you, one tick makes a world of difference. Cancel the trade. Market in pain remains. And again, if I will take this chart back to 15-minute chart, what do you see? We've been here for the last 3 hours. Every single short fails. And if I convert this chart to 5, you will see market in a whole lot of pain. What an open, what a dance. Everyone clear how crucial that proper trade placement and cancellation is? What a dance. What a spectacular reminder. Do not speculate. Do not place trade randomly. Only stop bracket orders if you are serious about day trading. This brutal chop remains. Cancel the order. So here we go, traders. This dance remains. We've been here for the last 40 minutes. Will buyers finally step in, or is this will continue being a bait? This is proprietary Fibonacci tool you can install on any platform you choose to trade. Students on platforms from NinjaTrader, TradeStation, Thinkorswim, Sierra Charts, Infinity, Interactive Brokers. Any platform that has Fibonacci Retracement tool you can trade on. MT4. So, key support respected. Knowledgeable trader has multiple charts in front of him and chooses a trade that's appropriate for his account. For Jean, he just closed option trade. Stories like Jean is the reason I live and breathe what I do. I'm meeting with Brad in New York on Saturday. You can listen to both Brad and Jean on their podcasts page. So, market remains in pain. Few more minutes of this, we will take a well-deserved break, as I continue warning you the entire morning. Cannot short into this support. If you do, your broker adores you, your account doesn't. So, if you know where this support is, you are on standby. You are not touching baits. You're only interested in meaningful trades. 40 minutes of this. What a pain. Plenty of baits. Not a trade. Only if rules are met, you can take a trade. Just like on IBM, just like on S&P Weekly, just like on any day trading chart. This is von Brad and Jean and any trader who succeeds, and Joseph, who is hedge fund manager. Trading gold, trading VIX, trading bonds, does. Every day, every time, exact same formula, exact same Fibonacci tool. Every single trader, different instrument, different platform, different time frame. We are on standby for long, only no shorts in a play. So here we go, spectacular reminder. Everyone seeing this? 1, 2, 3, impulse is forming. I've been begging you to wait for 5. Everyone with me? So here we go, traders. Stop 2705 long on S&P will be a big problem. This level. Knowledgeable trader knows this. So if you choose to touch this market, you understand extremely well. This will be war zone. present in front of you since the open. It remains counter trend move. Agree? What a dance. While we're waiting on S&P, I would like to remind you the events on oil. Do you remember how crucial 64 had been on oil? And this is what oil had done next. 64 key support respected most of 2018. And finally, oil starts selling off. What is key? This support is out. 55 next. A year at this support. This is oil now. A year later. Why? Because finally 64 is out. So, it is not out on S&P this morning. This is a dance. This is a channel. And this is remains. And you've been paying attention to the end of the minor trend, and you understand that buyers remain extremely weak. This is exact same level on oil, where oil been frozen for the last few weeks, where oil had been frozen for over a year in 2018. Identical Fibonacci levels, very different strategies remains. And again, this is where gold recently bounced from key Fibonacci support 1270. And this is where gold is in a whole lot of pain. Knowing what to do with your position, you must know the rules. Speculation never an option. Doesn't matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or weekly or monthly charts. You will be tested to the core every day, every time. What to do with your position. And only when rules are met, you can take a trade. And this is a dance on S&P remains, as expected. First, war zone remains. One more right next to it. Do not forget. Agree? That's a dance. Shorts are not an option because of key Fibonacci support. Just like on Chevron, Exxon, IBM, gold, oil. It's all the same. Price action remains the same. Fibonacci tool remains the same. Fibonacci levels remain the same. Very different strategies. All you master in Fibonacci Mastery course. Key rules in Thursday and Monday class. Again, the trade is not on 1 minute chart. I convert every single trade example to 1 minute chart on purpose, so you can see the power and accuracy of the method to the tick. Again, we've been sitting at key day trading support in counter trend bullish move for the last hour since the open. Why is it counter trend? Because this resistance remains unbroken. This resistance identifies the end of the minor trend. When this resistance is out, bullish trend becomes major. Finally, S&P starts behaving. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Key moment on S&P. And what happens next is a key. One last stopping ground. Two key areas that will test you to the core. Once this is out, bullish rally will skyrocket to this level next. Boom! It's a beautiful thing. If you know when not to short, if you know when to monitor for long. This is the most important moment this morning. Price skyrocketing through this level, bullish rally had only begun. We agree? And that remains the key. An hour of this. What an open. So, key moment on S&P. So right now S&P chart is twins with gold. Right now S&P chart is twins with S&P weekly, IBM, Chevron, XOM. This is one knowledgeable trader taking profits off the table, 80% of position, and moving the stop outside of break even. What are we expecting next? Bullish rally to go on to drastically higher levels. However, this is when price can collapse for many points. So if you don't move the stop outside of break even, you're asking for trouble. If you don't respect this as your key target, you're asking for trouble. Agree? What a dance from key day trading support in massive brutal nasty chop to key day trading resistance. Boom. And that's the power of Fibonacci. No indicator on the planet will ever give you. Fibonacci will show you when to trade, when not to trade. Fibonacci will give you ultimate accuracy. Fibonacci will give you ultimate targets. No matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily, hourly, monthly, yearly charts. It is absolutely your choice what you will decide to trade. So if you would like to trade like a pro, I look forward to working with you. Join us in any of the mastery courses. Please sign up online. And I look forward to working with you. Mastery course, 12-week course. You learn in the course strategies traded by hedge fund managers, traded by hedge fund traders, traded by beginner traders. Traders from beginner to hedge fund manager, trading stocks, Forex, ETFs, options. Anything you choose to trade. I'm with students 4 days a week. It is not a requirement to be in the room. We're meeting pre-market, we're discussing pre-market conditions, Fibonacci analysis. Key classes Monday and Thursday. Classes recorded, and you can view classes and modules at your convenience 24/7. If you would like ultimate course, currently I have 2 openings for private mentoring, all group courses included. You can view videos for group courses at your convenience. Currently in private mentoring I work with Forex trader, option trader, oil trader, stock trader, futures trader. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. 6 months course, ultimate knowledge, and if you master basic strategies, I can teach you a whole lot more. Any questions, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And as always, if you have any other questions, I highly encourage you listen to students, see what students do, and view thousands of YouTube videos. Have a wonderful afternoon and weekend. I look forward meeting students in New York next.